My living room. My living room is an important part of my house. It is where my family and I spend time together. We relax, play games, and watch TV in this room. I love my living room very much. Let me tell you more about it. My living room is medium-sized. It is not too big and not too small. When you enter the room, you see a big sofa in the center. The sofa is comfortable and can fit 5 people. There are 2 armchairs next to the sofa. They are also cozy. We often sit here when we have guests. In front of the sofa, there is a coffee table. It is made of wood and has a glass top. We use the table to put drinks and snacks on it. Sometimes we play board games on the table. It is a great place for family fun. One of the most important things in my living room is the television. It is big and hangs on the wall. We use it to watch movies and shows. My family enjoys movie nights every week. We gather on the sofa with popcorn and drinks. It is a fun tradition. We also watch sports games together. My dad loves football, and my mom enjoys basketball. We cheer for our favorite teams. Sometimes we have friends over to watch games. The living room becomes lively and full of excitement. The decor in my living room makes it warm and inviting. The walls are painted a soft beige color. This color makes the room feel bright. I have pictures of my family hanging on the walls. These pictures remind us of happy moments together. We also have a few decorations on the shelves. There are small plants and books. The plants add a touch of green to the room. I enjoy taking care of them. I water them every week. They make the living room feel fresh. My living room has 2 big windows. They let in a lot of natural light. In the morning, the sunlight fills the room. It makes the space feel cheerful. I love opening the curtains and letting the light in. We have soft curtains that can be closed for privacy. Sometimes we close the curtains when we watch movies. It makes the room darker and better for watching. The floor of my living room is wooden. It is smooth and shiny. We have a large carpet in the center of the room. The carpet is soft and colorful. It has different patterns and bright colors. We sit on the carpet when we play games or have family gatherings. It is a comfortable place to relax. The living room is the heart of our home. We do many activities together here. We have family game nights where we play board games. Everyone joins in, and we have a lot of fun. We laugh, tease each other, and enjoy our time together. We also read books in the living room. I love to sit on the sofa with a good book. Sometimes my parents read their books too. It is a peaceful time. We can share what we read and discuss our favorite stories. My living room is also the place where we celebrate special occasions. For birthdays, we decorate the room with balloons and banners. We have a cake and gifts in the living room. Everyone gathers to sing and celebrate. It is a joyful time filled with laughter. During holidays, we decorate the living room with lights and ornaments. For Christmas, we put up a tree in the corner. We hang ornaments and string lights on it. The living room becomes magical during the holidays. Sometimes the living room is a quiet place. I enjoy sitting on the sofa and listening to music. I can relax and think about my day. The living room provides a calm space when I need it. I like to take a nap on the sofa too. It is comfortable and I feel safe there. The living room is my favorite place to unwind after a busy day. I help my parents keep the living room clean and organized. Every weekend, we do a thorough cleaning. We dust the shelves, vacuum the carpet, and tidy up the toys. It is important to keep our living room neat. It makes the space pleasant for everyone. We also have a rule to put things back in their place. This helps us find things easily. I enjoy organizing the books and games on the shelves. It makes me feel accomplished. I have dreams for my living room. I would like to add more plants to make it feel like a small indoor garden. I also want to have a small reading nook. A comfy chair and a lamp in the corner would be perfect for reading. I dream of having a wall with a chalkboard. It would be fun to draw and write messages. It could also be a place for my family to leave notes for each other. Conclusion: my living room is a special place in my house. It is where my family and I come together. We share laughter, love, and happiness. I cherish the moments we spend here. The living room is not just a room, it is the heart of our home. It is where we create memories that last a lifetime. I am grateful for my living room and everything it represents. I look forward to many more joyful moments in this cozy space.